Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy of Elliott Options, and welcome to this trade review of our recently closed trade ID number 963. As you can see from the chart, this was on AMD, very popular stock. You'd ask about it a lot during Trade Finder, our free Trade Finder service that we do every Tuesday night. You can register at ewotrader.com. This one is in our newly AI-infused impulse strategy, which is our directionally based strategy. You can see it was a long call. The entry alert was sent out back on January 9th. And when we look at the chart, this is one that's one of my favorite setups for all directional trades, a zigzag within a wave three. You can see the B wave correction right down here at 50%. And then the C wave extension at 100% also coincides with the wave five projection if we were to have a wave four. You like it when there's more than one Elliott wave target at roughly the same price. So there was a high likelihood that AMD was going to go up towards 165. So that was the setup. And then we exited 3 days later on January 9th, technically 4 days, but it was less than the hourly time frame on 4 days. So it reads as 3. We look at the chart and you can see that we had this vertical move up during 3 straight days. But notice that we're not anywhere near the target of 165. And I get asked that a lot as well. Why did you close the trade out before you hit the target price? So that bears some conversation as well, I think. One thing is that we filled that gap right there, and we were nearing what could have been some resistance there at the high of the previous wave three, and that was right around 150. We'd had a vertical move. That means an infusion of implied volatility into the calls. We're nearing resistance. We filled the gap, and that was a logical point to go ahead and take profits, on top of the fact that when we can generate over 70% in 3 days, going to take that every time. So that goes to a profit exit, not necessarily a technical price target exit. And both of those play in when you're deciding on when to enter and when to exit trades. So I hope you found that informative and look forward to talking again soon. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.